Today's session with Hassan, we're gonna show you the best technique to release your lower back pain, reduce the pain, and give you more possibility to move your body pain-free. First thing, we need to understand why we're having a lower back pain issue. Very often it happens because we are spending time with too much sitting. Over-sitting is causing rotation in our pelvis. So when we're sitting, the hamstring is getting tight, pulling our pelvis to the back. Plus, if we're spending time in the wrong position sitting, then we put so much strain and compression, pressure on the spine in here, yes? So this is the main reason why. That's why it will be very important to get out of this position and start releasing pain by giving some nice decompression. So that exercise, first one, what we're gonna show is gonna be helping you to decompress your spine and relax all of this tissue, plus mobilize your lower back to give more fluid inside between the discs. So if we're sitting for an extended period of time, the glutes are getting deactivated, hamstring is becoming super tight, and then it's moment that we are losing our proper pelvis position. Yeah? So the pelvis is rotated to the back and also sometimes shifted to the front. Yeah? That with the strain whenever you're walking or you're running or you're lifting weights with a bad pelvic position, that creates a lot of tension and problem with the discs. So that's the first exercise which can help you to feel directly loose and relax on your spine, on the lower back. So the idea is to find a box or anything what you have, like can be a small table which is gonna lift your legs in here. You're gonna place the legs, gonna lift your hips and lower back off the ground, and then just by this position you can improve in here rotation for the pelvis. Yes, so these movements, they will help you to create more lubrication. Yes, I'm gonna bring the fluid between the discs and help you. This is the great moment of decompression for the spine, because as we know, if you are sitting or we're lifting weights, we are putting all the time pressure on our spine. Yes, so we need to find the time to release this tension and help to feel better. So that's a quick release. Spend the time for about 2-3 minutes at the movement to build a more stronger relation between lumbo-pelvic-hip and core relation to improving this movement pattern. If you're finding yourself that you have difficulty with the movement, adding rotation, that means this area is stiff. So we need to more practice, more spend the time to improve this movement pattern to feel generally better. That will help you to activate your glutes and loosen up the tension from the hamstring. Yes, so it's exactly opposite thing what you're doing while you are sitting for extended period of time. Yes, how does it feel? Yeah, better. Plus, if you're adding the foam roller directly under the knees, yes, we are helping to mobilize in here the structure which is from between hamstring, yes, so which is directly under the knee. So connection between hamstring and calf. So you have a nice in here massage which can help you with the knee pain in the same time. Yes. And we improving all the time the movement. What you want to do, this movement more posterior. So creating space, open. Yes, creating space, open. Spend it 3 to 4 minutes in that position every day and let me know how you feel. Very effective technique to solve your lower back pain and improve the mobility in the spine. Wrap the band around your hands and push in here, also on the lower back area. Then directly to this one, you know that you need to work on the lumbar spine. Yeah, so improving in here pattern for the pelvic rotation. Yes, activating your core. So you're gonna strengthen your core, strengthen your lower back, in the same time release all the pressure and nicely give a stretch to the spine. Yes, in that particular area. So attaching the band, yes, behind the lower back, you know that you're focusing directly on that area. Yes, also, yes, if you compensating too much on the mid back, just place the foam roller on the top. Yes, and then you know from the position only here, because foam roller will fall and you know that you do a mistake. Yeah, so here only here, down. The key is in here to stay focused, working directly on the lumbar spine area, deep breathing, relaxing your spine. Yes, about 2 minutes. Recommend. Do this every day. Will help you a lot to feel better, release your pressure from the spine and improve your spine mobility. Thank you so much. Stay with us. Yes, if you find those exercises useful, put a comment below, let me know how you feel. and stay in touch. We're gonna keep uploading more videos in near future. Stay with us, stay focused, stay positive, subscribe the channel, comment below. If you have any question, please write it for us. We're gonna follow up, gonna help you to achieve your fitness goal with the pain-free, whatever. Body fix for ultimate performance and pain-free life. Yes, sir, it's a team. Yes, sir.